Hey everyone, this is Josh Ocasio from class Digital 3043, and I'm going to be playing Street Fighter. Alright, so let's try this out. Good. Alright, select the region. Alright, so we get a little image of Ryu and Joe. Alright, so right off the bat, you can see the graphics are quite dated, but considering the time it was made, it's actually pretty decent. Just getting my ass beat. Wow, I am bad at this game. I mean, I'm not really sure, but I don't think Ryu has his Hadouken, so that's pretty. Maybe I need to unlock it or something. Wow, he is raping me. Okay, let's try again. So, in comparison to today's graphics, I mean, oh, it's quite different. Oh, there's the Hadouken. Maybe I just didn't know my inputs. But yeah, nowadays Street Fighters they use like 3D models and it's like quite rendered. So it's very different from the 2D pixel animations they used to do. Come on, do a Hadouken. Come on, come on. Come on, Hadouken, Hadouken. Oh crap. And I get wow. Man, I cannot play this game. Well, clearly, people back then had a lot more skills than the people nowadays. Cause my God, I cannot do anything. Come on, jump. A new challenger. It's interesting. Are they just giving me a free win because of how pathetic I am? I've never once seen this in a game. The only time I've ever seen a new challenger is like from Smash Brothers or something. So that's really interesting to see. So it seems I get scored based on each punch I do. With the lighter ones, yeah, a light one gives about 500, so that's interesting. So how do I do a Hadouken? Come on, come on. How do I do it? Come on, Hadouken, Hadouken. Hmm. Oh, that's hilarious. They even show beat up Ken despite him never hitting me once. It was just like the training mode basically. Wow. Well, for sure, this shows me how bad I really am at video games. My God. And here I always thought I was pretty decent. Holy crap. What is that? Oh, I guess this concludes the video, and yeah.